Hello everybody, Brig Abercrombie with Haglöf Incorporated. Today I'd like to talk to you about the use of our increment borer starter with our increment borers. Very simple process. First I want to show you the use of the increment borer starter, how to assemble it. As you can see with this increment borer starter, it's one-piece construction. What we do is we take this red end and slide it outward. It exposes the spring on the starter. What you do, turn it perpendicular to the shaft and it falls right into place. It's almost like putting tent poles together. Now this is ready. As you can see, we've got a stud on the other end or a shaft coming out of the other end of the starter. You see the rod at the other end. So now what we're going to do is disassemble our increment borer. Remove our borer bit. Open the clip on our borer handle. Insert the bit. Close the clip. As you can see on this end of the borer, there is a hole. That hole is where this shaft of the increment borer starter will go. I'll slide it in just like that. Now what I'm going to do is with this borer, I just use this for leverage, and that additional leverage helps me when inserting my borer into the tree. So I go and lean into the tree. What this allows me to do is it allows me to add more force than I would be able to add using only my hands and arms alone, and very easily allow this borer to start into the tree. Once it's started, I can lean away from the tree and take my sample free-handed without any problem. Take the core. The starter also easily disassembles for easy storage and transportation. Thank you for watching and have a great day.